Just imagine living in this heaven forever. You can enjoy all 4 seasons here at Flats at Rainbow. We are next to Highway 401. Conestoga College is just 2 minutes away. Within 20 minutes, you can get to major employers like Google, Shopify. 2 universities are here, like hundreds of employers are here. So thousands of jobs will be in your direct 20-minute access. But the most important part is you are not living in the city. You are being in the city, but you are living in this beautiful heaven. There are over 5 kilometers of walking trails in this private property. A private lake gonna be there for you. So only 182 flats are building for this particular property. You can have a piece of it and enjoy this entire access of private walking trails, bike trails, canoeing, your private lake. Enjoy the events throughout the year. Plus you will have your amenities like sauna, like party room, yoga room, fitness, everything gonna be there in your building. If you wanna have a cup of tea, they're gonna be cafe here as well. So you're not far away from anything, but you're still being here in nature. If you're a nature loving person like me, I am buying my unit here because I want this exclusive property for me as well. You want to buy it as well. So let's just book your unit right away. Give me a call at 647-532-3000.